Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokujcharts.com hourly analysis for the S&P 500 futures for Wednesday 27th of June 2012. Well, a large congestion area that's forming at the moment here. Prior to this we had the breakout above the top of the cloud, a bullish breakout, which is a bullish signal in Ichimoku charts terms. We had the market trading above both the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen, and that gave us quite a very strong bullish signal, and the market went on with the trend, finding resistance up around the 1327.25 area. The market has tested above that level on 2 or 3 occasions now, and we are finding very strong resistance in the market selling off, but the sell-off doesn't continue for a very long period of time. We have buying coming back in, and we now have a congestion area forming. It's a symmetrical triangle type pattern. Here we have a prior trend, here we have the congestion, and we have the peaks and troughs of the price action within the pattern coming closer and closer together. And this is very important because we can trade this as a breakout. They tend to be continuation patterns, and considering that this pattern is forming above the cloud, it's more likely that the pattern would be a breakout to the upside. The confirmation of this pattern would be a close above the upper or lower boundary. So this area at the moment around the 1327.25 area will be important, and also to have a close above there, and even a bullish close above there, would be confirmation of a change of sentiment in the market, because we've seen this strong price rejection from this level previously. In terms of Ichimoku, obviously the market is bullish in all 3 time frames. We're trading above the cloud, above the Kijun-sen, and above the Tenkan-sen. We've been trading above all of those 3 indicators for quite some period of time, so quite a bullish market on the hourly charts, and it does suggest higher prices for this market. We do have some strong resistance overhead at 1329.75, 1331, 1333, and then up to about the 1336 level, so some decent resistance above. So we could expect to see the market sell off up around one of those levels. In terms of support to the downside, we do have some of the minor swing areas of the run into the pattern, and one is around this 1322 level, and then certainly at the Kijun-sen, which is trading around the 1320 area, or just above, roughly about 1321, coinciding with this previous area of resistance at 1320. If the market does trade any lower, 1316 will come into play. We have some support around 1318, and then down around the cloud, roughly about 1312, but a very thin part of the cloud. If the market does sell off strongly and interact with that level very soon, there won't be any very strong support for this market, but it's unlikely that the market will sell off that quickly down to those levels. The further this market goes on, then the amount of support offered by the cloud will be increasing into the future. So for this market at the moment, we have a congestion area forming. The market is bullish in all 3 time frames. The probability is a breakout to the upside from this symmetrical triangle. We'd have a target roughly up around the 1333 level, which coincides with the very strong area of resistance on the daily charts.